What's up, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in for another Hawkins Corner. So today on Hawkins Corner, I'm going to be unboxing this Dermaplaning tool kit, which comes with 9 dermaplaning razors. And dermaplaning is great for safely exfoliating your skin and removing things like peach fuzz. It recommends that you put some type of light oil on your face, such as sweet almond oil, to make the razor easily glide on your skin. And here's just the demonstration. Using a 45-degree angle, just go down on your skin. Make sure to pull your skin tight so that you don't have any cuts. And then that pretty much is it. So you should be able to see a few, if you're not a hairy person, follicles of hair, or you may see something like this dark line. That is not dirt. That's actually the hair and a culmination of the oil. Once you're finished, you just simply rinse your face off. Use your favorite serum 1 to 5 minutes after you do this, and make sure you don't go into direct sunlight, or you can't put on makeup. They recommend for like 1 to 3 days. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you guys next time on Hawkins Corner.